Okay guys, TP is hit. I trailed my stop loss to the break even. Then I left my room. Then I came back and I saw like my TP is hit. I placed my stop loss at first it like this high. Then I trailed it to there, and then when I get 1% around here, then I trailed it to break even, and I left the room. Now it's hit. I made 2% on this trade. 2% of my 8k funded. So yeah, currently I'm at 6% up now. So yeah, that's a very good trade. 1:2, very good. Now market reversing because I was only targeting this 50% of the range, and I got it here. I got it here because I like it was a very low hanging fruit. So yeah, this was it, the trade. I was expecting to get 1:2, and which I got, which is very good. So that's it for today. And today is Thursday. We have tomorrow, Friday. I don't know if we have any news tomorrow, but yeah, let's see. Okay, guys, I entered a position in odd USD. Actually, why I entered is uh, my my external drawn liquidity is this high, so I wanted a market to come and sweep this high. So after getting a change of structure, then we retrace back, then we get a break of structure, and then we retrace back, come into this LVG, come into the 50% of the range. Then I saw a change of character in this 1 minute, and after that this our block is holding pretty well, so I entered here and placed my stop loss here. So I'm expecting this low to hold, I only entered half a position. I only risking $30. So yeah, it's if it's gonna work, then I'm gonna uh, stack my positions in some kind of high time frame confirmations. Like if I get 15-minute invalidation this FVG, then I will enter the full position right here and trail my stop loss according to it, and then also trail this stop loss, this smaller trade stop loss to that stop loss with, I mean, yeah, overall it will be a risk-free trade. I will not lose anything. Okay, so that is my plan for right now. So let's see what happens. Currently I'm expecting and I'm counting that this order block and this low will hold. So yeah, if it holds, then I will look for bigger time from confirmations. Okay, then after I'll enter a position in bigger time frame confirmation. Okay, so yeah, it will be a risk-free trade. So currently I'm risking only $30. So let's see what happens, because it's a very smaller time frame confirmation, very smaller time frame, and I'm targeting a very high time frame, so it's generally don't work for me. But yeah, I'm still trying, because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm expecting to lose nothing about it. I'm risking only half, below half a position. Like I'm risking only 30%, 0.30%, not even really risking 1% or half a percent. So yeah, let's see what happens. So market is going up now. So my initial plan was to enter in this FVG, inverse FVG. So we haven't came into this FVG. Also in this inverse FVG, also in this 15-minute FVG, we have both. So yeah, let's see what happens. If the market will come in London session into this FVG, then I will enter my half a position, because I think risking the full position isn't, it's very risky and isn't much needed, because I only need 4% to pass the account. And if I'm letting this trade to go into this high till this high, then I'm getting 3%. So I only need 1%. So risking full a full person, like full my 1% isn't much needed. So I'll risk only half a position again, then I will get in 1:2, then I will get out. So let's see what happens. I will get an average TP which I'll get and pass my account. I'll get 4%. So yeah, let's see what happens. सॉरी गाइस, मेरे को पता नहीं था कि एक्चुअली ये मेरा विनिंग ट्रेड है। एक्चुअली मेरे को 10% नहीं करना है, मेरे को 80% करना है। तो एक्चुअली अभी मेरा प्रॉफिट चल रहा है मेरा प्रॉफिट चल रहा है 120, इक्विटी 620 है, मेरे को ओनली 640 चाहिए। तो यार $20 और मैं फेस पास कर दूँगा। Okay guys, I will break down my trade which I took today and pass my funded phase 1. So let me tell you, this is a full breakdown video. So yeah, going to the day, let's go in daily. So in daily we saw that market has swept this high and there's one more high above this high. This was my main draw on liquidity. So let me mark it. Besides, market swept this high, then it traced back to the 4-hour FVG. Now my draw on liquidity was this high. This recent high was my draw on liquidity. So I was expecting that market, I was anticipating that market will eventually go up to this high and sweep this high. So yeah, after that, after market came into this 4-hour FVG, market it was giving me a good presence of this FVG, like it's validating, and we had a change of character right here. We had a change of character in 15 minutes as well as 5 minute 15-minute change of character. I marked there, and then market was reversing and coming to the 50% of this range, which is discount, and then giving us a break of structure right here. Then again market is coming into the premium, discount, sorry. So yeah, I marked this FVG which was in discount as well, this breaker block, and this was a whole unicorn model which combined with unicorn model basically combined with a breaker block and an FVG. So yeah, it was a unicorn model. Then I go to 1 minute and then I saw a change of character right here. Change of character. After that I saw that which is invalidating, and we had a change of character right here. Okay, then I took a trade in this order block which held pretty well. Then I entered here, right here. Then I entered here. Okay, and I placed my stop loss to this. Wait, this around. Entered here. Wait. I entered here and placed my stop loss to this low. This was the order block because I wanted this order block to get validated. So yeah, I entered here, placed my stop loss to this order block, and then I targeted 1:4. And also my initial plan was to stack in because I didn't know I had to do only 8%. So yeah, I was expecting, I thought first that I have to do 10%. Never mind. So yeah, it was a very low hanging fruit trade. Like this high was a very low hanging fruit, and also it was a very good trade, and I risked only 0.5%, like only $40 I risked here, because it was a very lower time frame model, so I'm not very good at lower time frame model. This is it. I made here 4%, which is very good. It was a very good trade, 1:8. So I passed my phase 1 challenge. Now I already got my phase 2 challenge now. So yeah, from Monday, from next week, I will trade on my phase 2.